Hi guys, Hilda here. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video. And today I'm going to take you through an empty house tour. Remember that our house is unfinished and I gave you a tour last time. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends so that I may get to 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much and let's get this video going. So as you can all remember, I told you that this is our temporary entry until we get money to finish up the entry. So this house was purposely built for business purposes. That's why you see the front looking like that. I know Kenyans can understand what I mean. So this is the main road that we use, and the main economic activity of this area is tea farming. So from the road, you come down through these stairs. And we have a temporary staircase here. So this is the first room. As I told you, this was purposely built for business purposes. The first three rooms, this is the most common uh, structure plan for any business, more so here in Kenya. This is the first room. That's my aje. As you can see, this is an M-Pesa, and this room is used. We own a business, so you can guess which business we are doing. So this is where the first room is. These are the windows. This is the second door. This is supposed to be a veranda. From that end to that end. That's my neighbor's fence. So this is the second room. This is the window for the second room. This is the third room, the front part of the business area. We are also a copier agent, but I heard that it's moving out of Kenya. So this is our second. This is supposed to be a shop. This is the third front room. The third front room. As you can see, this is the door. This is where our land ends. There are supposed to be pillars here and here and there and there, here, here and here. And then you're supposed to construct a place of entry this way so that you can accommodate each and every person, be it normal person, a person with disability, and a person without disability. So we put that into consideration here. So as you enter, this is the first room. We did this room. We finished. We're only remaining with painting, doing the roof. So that is it. We are still remaining with putting the lights and the sockets and water view. That's inside the third room, front third room. You have not done the floor also. This is the door that leads to other rooms. So let me take you there. You open. As you can see also the floor out here, it's not done. We have this room. It's not done, as you can see it. This is another room. That's the fifth room. But we have kept our sand here and some other materials, building materials, wheelbarrows. a bag of cement, 2 jembes, 2 wheelbarrows. These are the materials. So as you get out of that, you meet this pathway up to the other end, and I've told you this is another room. This is the window. This is another window for this other room, and then you have this window and this window. So this another room. This is where I'm using as a store, temporary store. As you can see, this is where I store my water and my laundry area. This is where I hang my clothes when it's raining outside. Yeah, as you can see, all that is timber. And those other pipes which I'm going to use on another place. Yeah, and this where I put my shoes. My shoes. Those are gumboots. And the floor is not yet done. The walls are not yet done. Even the roof. I mean the ceiling. Yeah. And to have optimum light, we use this transparent roof, iron sheets. So it gives enough light on this place. That's another room. This is where I'm temporarily using as my living room. As you can see, this door I'm supposed to close it. The roof, the ceiling is not done, the walls, and I need to put a window or maybe 2 windows. Those are my chairs. Yeah, that's my table, and those are my kids' things. He uses them to play. That's me, that's my husband, and that's me. Hi. Yeah. So as you come in, you can also see the floor is not yet done, but I put these cement bags and then put my carpet so that my baby can have a nice time, not a hard time when crawling on this floor. So as you come, this is a bathroom. This is where we shower. Yeah. And as you get out, you can see my chickens. I bought some other chickens. So this is my kitchen area. Don't mind the mess. Yeah. That is where I cook from. That is where I store my things. And yes, I put that thermos up there. That's where I put my pan, my other utensils. This is where I put my shopping bags. The floor is not done, the walls are not done. Yeah. So we live within our means. And this is the door that leads to the outside. This is my bedroom. I'll not go there for privacy. And this is my cock, my roaster. Hi. Hi, roaster. Hi. Why are you shy? And this is the door to outside. As you can see, I cut the napier grass I sold. Yeah, so I've already cleaned the land and it's also already coming up. That's an avocado tree. Those are pumpkin leaves. Yeah, that's my, what is it called? My borehole. This is my chicken house. That's where I hang my clothes. Today I've done a lot of laundry. As you can see, I'm really tired. You can take a look at my shoes, the way they look. These ones I'll do them in the evening. So I think I'm done. So guys, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed my video. That's how my house looks like. It's unfinished and furnished. And so I am still working on the ways that I can improve it. Building is not a joke. It's not a joke, and I'm telling you for real, it's not a joke. So when you see someone building and he has finished or she has finished, congrats. Just congratulate that person because it's not easy. And if you see someone living in a unfinished house, just give them a thumbs up. They're doing a good job, and it's hard. It's hard. Rome was not built in one day, so you can keep up with us. I'll be showing you the progresses. Anything that I do, I'll be showing you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you share with your friends. And also turn on the notification bell and subscribe. Let us get to 150 subscribers because we are on 117. Thank you so much, and bye bye.